Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Crypto Tech Today. This is your friend Gary, Gary the Crypto Bro. So welcome back. So this video I'll talk about the new things, new stuff about the quantum computing. Google just released a new technology with the name Willow, which can compute like billions of transactions. That super computer can take like years and years, more than like 10 power 20 septillion years, so in just a second or 5 minutes. So that's the Google new things. And Google also can with this new technology Willow, this also can encrypt the crypto encryptions method and that thing. So I'll discuss about these things, and I'll discuss about the project as well as I'll give the update on the Verasity definitely. So let's get it. So let's talk about this new technology first. So this is the Verasity chart. I'll come back on the Verasity after finishing that things. So here, this is the quantum. So what is quantum encryptions, if you don't know that things? So quantum computing leverages the principle of quantum mechanics to process information in a way that classic computer cannot. So earlier data are represented in 0 or 1. So for the quantum computing, so data are represented in qubits that can exist in multiple states simultaneously. So just yesterday, Google just announced a significant breakthrough with the quantum computing chip. So they have built the quantum computing chip Willow. So according to reports, Willow can solve specific computational problem in under 5 minutes. So it can solve the high like problem that requires a lot of power, just like a Bitcoin mining. That things in practically long times that can solve in 5 minutes. See, this event marks a pivotal step towards the practical quantum computing. So how it affect the Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies? So here, as the security of the Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies relies on cryptographic algorithms. So we know that the security of the cryptocurrencies of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies relies on the cryptographic algorithms that are currently considered secure against classical computing attacks. So crypto algorithms is securing the blockchain technology for now. However, with the powerful quantum computer, breaking cryptographic algorithms. So quantum computer could potentially execute algorithms such as SOAR algorithm to essentially solve problem like integer factorization, discrete logarithm. This capability threaten the public key cryptography underpinning Bitcoin transaction and wallet. So it can affect the hack, able to break the private key of the Bitcoin and other proof of work crypto. so that's only Bitcoin address, particularly those are using P2P script expose public key directly. A sufficient advanced quantum computer could derive the corresponding private key, leading to unauthorized access to funds. So it will access unauthorized like a fund. So what is the how this problem can be solved in the cryptocurrency world with the with the quantum computing? Soon will be it will take time, but soon it will go like live. And that with such the powerful chip, more powerful, bigger than a small chip, very powerful than the lot of the supercomputers, so that can get your fund easily. So in the blockchain bitcoins and the other other cryptocurrency blockchain. So in response to that, so cryptocurrencies, a lot of cryptocurrency projects are working on to provide the quantum resistance blockchain. So see, we can do it by development of the quantum resistance algorithm. So researchers are exploring cryptographic algorithms related to quantum attack, including latest based cryptocurrency and hash based signature. So these are many of the blockchain projects are working on these things. So they are integrating this type of quantum resistance in the blockchain protocol in the project like Ethereum. So Ethereum is also preparing for quantum resistance futures. So dedicated quantum resistance blockchain initiative, like so the like there are a few projects that are working on the quantum resistance. That recently this mentioned about the quantum resistance laser QR has developed blockchain from the ground up with the post quantum cryptography. So they have developed the post quantum cryptography. So this is the project. So I will give you the few projects that are working on the quantum resistance blockchain, so that in the near futures that the Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will exist in the quantum computing world and will be secure on that. So this is the bigger scenario with advancement in the technology, later the risks in the Bitcoin and other stuff as well. So quantum computing is very fast, and they are super powerful than the supercomputer as well. So there are few quantum resistance the blockchains that are working to make the blockchain quantum resistant. So these are the list of quantum resistance blockchain, and I think this project will make a significant impact in this altcoin season. So this is the first time I'm giving this to all my users. So just take care of this. I think that this quantum resistance token will go to 10 to 20 billions of dollar market cap. So currently the first one is quantum resistant blockchain is QRL. So currently its market cap is only the 50 millions, and the top is Ozone Chain. Its market cap is 136 million, and Selframe is one of the most old project working on the quantum chain. So the market cap 31 million. It's still it's very early. No one have market cap of 1 billion. So this is the quantum resistance, quantum resistance laser, as you can see. So its market cap is only 50 million market cap. So, so it's a lot of potentials, and thus quantum resistance blockchain will be needed if the Google provide this chip to the public voice. Then this type of blockchains are very needed. So I am having a key look on this QRL. For me, QRL, Selframe is one of the old blockchains. So Selframe is the next one. So we can look over is the old project. So this is the project since 2021. So I think this project has also a lot of potential when the quantum computing's this quantum computing the will come into life, and this would be a good chance to buckle up this type of the project for now. And yeah, these are the two main projects that I am currently looking on, and I have shared with you guys, and that also look good. So with the recent announcement yesterday, this project already pumped 2x from their from their yesterday price, and still it's very early. So no project have like 1 billion market cap, and they are only 32 million market cap, the Selframe and that QRL. So I am buckling up this thing, so you can take a look on that. So guys, so this is the recent update, and these are the cryptocurrency pick. Now I am talking about the Verasity. I will again go for the Verasity. So let's take the update of the Verasity. So current the Verasity chart, I like it's the price 0.006825. So Verasity have like a good amount of volume, as you can see, 63.06 million volume in 24 hours, and expect that it should continue to pump up higher. Yesterday the market dipped due to that recent quantum computing update that have like people sell due to it have negative effect on the Bitcoin blockchain, in aspect of the security. So now with this thing, it doesn't matter that too much. So I have shared the one article as well. You can see the Gary crypto bro, like just follow my Twitter account. So here I have saying like Google Willow Quantum versus Bitcoin encryption. So these are the two encryption used by, one is Bitcoin encryption and one is Google Willow Quantum. So today Google will announce that Willow has reached 105 cubic with improved error rate. So should Bitcoin or worry? So here are written no. Bitcoin relies in two types of crypto like encryptions. One is this one, ECDSA 256, vulnerable to solve algorithm, but cracking it would require over 100 million qubits. Willow 1.5 isn't even close. So it's in the early stage, so we don't have to worry about it. Second is SSA 56, even tougher, require a different approach, global algorithm, millions of physical qubits, and post-real. So Bitcoin cryptography is safe for now. So the Ben Singham has like he has compared in a good way. So you can have a look. You just go to my profile in Gary Crypto Bro. You can have a look. Still, a lot of the blockchain project are working on this. Main is QRL and that Selframe. So I have the good investment on that. So that will be the good case that we will see the good things in near future. So now the Verasity. So Verasity is 0.068. As Verasity, let's check the that we are getting a lot of update in the Verasity. So congratulations to the Verasity holders. And Verasity is listed in the new exchange. So the new European exchange, and see, they have listed in the new European exchange Bitvevo. So Bitvevo have a lot of the volume, and now people from the Europe can also buy and trade, sales, trade Verasity. That are good things. And Verasity, and they have, they are like, a lot of news are coming every day in the Twitter. They are on the Vera Wallet 2.0. And the exchange listing, and there are more informations are coming on. You can check the Mark, the CEO post. There are like a lot of news coming on. So maybe this will be regarding the POB migration and that things. And chart also look bullish. I think so. Let's check the Veracity chart. I feel that Veracity chart is looking good, and it's just for retracing the previous high. So let's check the Veracity chart. I feel the Veracity chart is also looking good, and the daily chart, weekly chart is showing the buy signal. Here you can see the weekly buy signal, and let's check the daily chart. Daily chart is also looking good. So it was showing the sell signal, but it has pumped a lot. So it is just retracing from its high levels at point around 145%. So just taking the fib level, it's just retracing from the that correct level. So I feel that we are good to go in the Verasity. So it will again pump it up with the current market. I feel like we should see the 0.1 level, 0.01 level of the Verasity, and we don't need to worry about that. So there's a lot of news of the POV migration and other things are coming on. Just follow my Twitter account so that you can get update from the listing of Verasity. I have been posting a lot of things about Verasity. Just follow my profile. You know that I posting a lot of things, so they're getting a lot of views as well. So these things to be updated from like their Eclipse partnership, Eclipse partnership. They have a lot of partnership going on. So I have posted a lot of things about the Veracity in my Twitter. So just follow me on Twitter and take update from there. So guys, this is the latest update about the quantum computing as well as the Veracity, and our season is near the corner, just 1 to 2 months. We are only away from our season. Then the Veracity and all the other cryptocurrencies will pump up. So guys, thank you for watching my video, guys. I'll back with other freaking videos with new update on different coins, and keep following me and share this and comment if you have any query, and just follow me on Twitter or X, Gary Crypto Bro. Thank you, bye.